Welcome back, dog lovers! Today, we're diving into the world of dog food myths that will challenge everything you thought you knew about feeding your furry friends. Whether you're a new pet parent or a seasoned dog owner, you've likely come across conflicting advice about what to feed your dog. It can be incredibly confusing to separate fact from fiction in the world of dog nutrition. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Grain-free diets have become all the rage in recent years, with many pet owners believing that grains are harmful to their dogs. However, this isn't entirely true. While some dogs may have specific allergies or intolerances to certain grains, the vast majority of dogs can digest grains perfectly fine. In fact, grains can be a valuable source of nutrients like fiber, vitamins, and minerals. The real issue often lies in the quality of the grain and how it's processed in the dog food. There's a common misconception that dogs are strictly carnivorous and therefore shouldn't consume grains. However, dogs are actually omnivores, which means they can benefit from a balanced diet that includes both animal and plant-based ingredients. Grain-free diets can be beneficial for dogs with specific allergies. But for most dogs, a diet including grains is perfectly healthy and can even be beneficial. Next up, let's discuss another controversial topic: raw food diets. Proponents of raw food diets argue that they are more natural and closer to what dogs' ancestors would have eaten. However, there are significant risks associated with feeding your dog a raw diet. These risks include bacterial contamination, nutritional imbalances, and the potential for bone injuries from eating raw bones. While the idea of feeding your dog a raw diet might sound appealing, it's important to understand the risks involved. Raw meat can contain harmful bacteria like Salmonella and E. coli, which can make both your pet and your family sick. Additionally, preparing a balanced raw diet requires careful planning to ensure your dog is getting all the necessary nutrients. Commercial dog foods are formulated to meet these nutritional needs and are generally a safer option. Now get ready for the moment that will change the way you think about dog food. We'll reveal a surprising myth that even experienced dog owners may not be aware of. The myth is, high-protein diets are always better for your dog. While it's true that dogs need protein for muscle development and overall health, more isn't always better. Excessive protein can lead to health issues, particularly in dogs with pre-existing conditions like kidney disease. Additionally, different life stages and activity levels require different amounts of protein. Puppies, active dogs, and working dogs need more protein than senior or less active dogs. It's crucial to understand that more protein doesn't necessarily mean a healthier diet for your dog. The key is to provide a balanced diet that meets all their nutritional needs. Too much protein can strain your dog's kidneys and liver, especially if they already have underlying health issues. Always consult with your veterinarian to determine the best diet for your dog's specific needs. To wrap things up, let's recap what we've learned today. We've debunked some of the most common dog food myths, including the beliefs that grain-free diets are always the best. Raw food is the only way to go, and high-protein diets are superior. Remember, a healthy dog is a happy dog. By understanding the truth behind these myths, you can make more informed decisions about your furry friend's diet and ensure they live a long, healthy life. Before we go, we want to remind you that the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended as a substitute for professional veterinary advice. Every dog is unique, and their dietary needs can vary greatly. It's important to consult with your veterinarian before making any significant changes to your dog's diet. Your vet can provide personalized recommendations based on your dog's age, health status, and specific nutritional requirements. While we've aimed to provide accurate and up-to-date information, new research and developments in pet nutrition are continually emerging. Always stay informed and make decisions that are best for your pet's individual needs. Thank you for watching, and remember to prioritize your pet's health by seeking professional guidance whenever necessary. Your dog's well-being is our top priority. If you found this video eye-opening, make sure to check out our other content on dog care and nutrition. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribe for more pet-related insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.